Hello everyone. Today we will learn about conjunctions. Conjunctions is a 7 part of speech in 8 part of speech. Conjunction is that which joins two words or two sentences. Join means it connects the two sentences or the two words. Let's see. Conjunctions in your book, My English folder. In this is a chapter number 21 and 22. As we have did that conjunctions are used to join the words, sentences, even the clauses, phrases and words of course together for constructing a sentence. They are used as into three types. Basically, there are the three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. The job of a coordinating conjunction is to join two words, phrases, or independent clauses which are parallel in structure. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions which are mentioned on the screen. To sum up or to remember, you can summarize them into the word fanboys. Here F is for, A is for and, N is for nor, B is for boys, B is for but, O for or, Y is to yet, and S for so. Here are few examples to show how they are giving the proper value to both the parts. I like coffee, but my wife prefers tea. Would you prefer coffee or tea? So there are many examples to understand this coordinating conjunction. Now after this, you can see how you can use these words with the following meanings and examples. The next one is subordinating conjunction. A subordinating conjunction cannot stand alone as a sentence. Or you can say a subordinating conjunction join elements of an unparalleled sentence structure. These elements are usually a dependent clause or an independent clause. Most common subordinative conjunctions are like after, how, then, when, although, and there are many as mentioned on the screen. The words like how, where, because, although, after, whereas, though, before, while, and many other. You can use them in the sentences too by saying like before we left home, I had my breakfast. Or you can say when he was washing my car, I went to the store. The next part is for your coordinating correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs such as neither nor, not only, and but also. These conjunctions uses a set of words in a parallel sentence structure to show a contrast or to compare the equal parts of a sentence. The words of correlative conjunctions have a special connection between them. You can see the examples for understanding the correlative conjunction. Both cricket and football are popular in concepts for not only but also. Not only is he a professional footballer, but he is also a successful businessman. Hope you have understood the conjunction topic well. Thank you.